Hi, this is Elena from Merrick's Looms. I am going to be hosting our special Mother's Day Tapestry Bead Cuff Bracelet Weave Along, and I just wanted to show you the kit that we have for this. So I'll start out here. This is gold thread, which is really fun to add to your silk to uh, put a little bit of a sparkle in your bracelet. These are the 6 colors of hand-painted silk. If we can see how gorgeous and variegated they are. That's the glue, the brass cuffs. These are the finishing beads. These are the 8O beads for inside the bracelet. There is your bead cord, your bead thread, and these are some really fun little crystals. And this is some railroad yarn, which adds a really fun texture to the bracelet. So there it is. This kit will make 2 tapestry bead cuff bracelets. Here's an example of one. This is using slightly different materials, but what's really fun about this bracelet and this kit is that using these same materials, you can make a wide variety of different styles of bracelets. In how you use the colors, how you use the beads, what designs you decide to use on your bracelet. So everyone's bracelet, even using the exact same supplies, is going to look totally different. Look at all this. Oh, can't wait to get started.